Today we're going to tell you guys about a story about a strange sound from the old house. Enjoy and listening our stories! Yay!
Did you guys hear the strange sound from the old house last night?
Yes, I did. It sounds like someone was walking inside. That house is empty for 4 years. Maybe it was just the wind.
I don't think so, but I see a light in one of the windows.
Really? That's perfect. Now I'm curious. What if someone was secretly living there?
Why don't we go and check after school?
I'm in, but we should bring flashlight. Fine.
Don't worry, we'll stay together.
Alright then, let's meet near the house at 5 o'clock. I have a bad feelings about this already.
Let's try.
Okay.